Papa Tope don't come again.
Mama Tope.
Very sweet.
I enjoy this meal.
Thank you.
Your food is so delicious.
I like the food. It's sweet.
My dear, thank you. My friend, help me with that.
Thank you very much.
Oh, let's move over to the other.
Yes.
I'm coming home.
In fact, I nearly bite mine.
Oh, my friend. I know you can cook more than that.
But let me appreciate this one.
Thank you, thank you.
Mama Tope, your food is so delicious.
Mama Kike, thank you. My dear, I love you, thank you.
Look. You all just keep mentioning food sweet, food sweet, food sweet. It reminds me of one conference I attended last week. The lecturer that took us through the class asked us an important question. One important question. Do you know what she asked us? That what is the most dangerous food? What is the most dangerous food? So that's why I feel like asking you all in this gathering.
The most dangerous food is red meat.
Look, it is not red meat. It is not red meat, Oshi. It is not red meat, but it is not the answer.
Baba
It
Tope,
is not the answer.
What of onje tobacco, the sour food?
Sour food. People still eat sour food. It is not the answer. Yeah, Tope, it is not sour food.
Tope, now they will tell you the
Talk. What is it?
No.
Wait,
No.
Baba Chike. Look, Baba Chike. Mind yourself. If you're mentioning food, don't mention amala. Why would you be mentioning my indigenous food in this case?
Baba Chike.
Look, I don't like it. If I mention apple, will you like it as a dangerous food?
Baba Chike, with amala, with begiri.
I know it.
What is it?
They teach us in our school. That time
What
in class.
is it? What is it?
That time
Tell us!
said it's cholesterol.
Cholesterol.
No.
Where
What
did you
is
get
cholesterol?
Wait. Colette, just hold it. Just hold it. No, just hold it. Colette, just hold it there. Do you know what the most dangerous food is? Even the lecturer gave us an answer. She said, uncooked cassava. But for me, it is not uncooked cassava. Do you know what the most dangerous food is?
Tell us!
Mama Tope, wedding cake.
Wedding cake.
Wedding cake is the most dangerous food. Wedding cake. Wedding cake. Don't you know that the moment you get married, after eating cake and entering into the family, you start having issue with your family. So it is wedding cake. Because the moment you are eating wedding cake, you are eating trouble. Have you ever since you've gotten married, have you ever had peace in this house?
So
Have you ever had peace in this house?
You want to tell me there's no peace in this
You
house?
are right.
You are right. Look,
You are right.
Don't tell me, have you ever had peace ever since
You are right.
you've gotten married?
So you said no peace in this
You are right.
peace in this
You are right.
You are right.